This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying the network itself. If other devices work, the issue is the Samsung. Once done, restart the phone and the router to clear transient glitches. Make sure you toggle Wi-Fi off and on, and use airplane mode for 10 seconds to reset radios. Next, forget the problem network and reconnect, ensuring DHCP is selected so the phone requests an IP automatically. This prevents conflicts from static addresses and often restores normal connectivity quickly. You now dig into settings to remove subtle blockers. First, confirm date and time are automatic because SSL checks fail with wrong clocks. That can cause connected without internet. Then open Wi-Fi Advanced. Turn off any proxy, confirm IP assignment is DHCP, and if DNS is flaky, set a public DNS such as 8 to bypass ISP resolution problems. Once done, boot safe mode to rule out third-party apps and temporarily disable VPNs or security apps that intercept traffic. You finish by resetting network settings, which removes corrupt configurations and forces fresh DHCP negotiation. This usually fixes persistent connected without internet on Samsung. If that does not work, back up your data and perform a factory reset as a last resort because it removes deep software faults. Once complete, reconfigure Wi-Fi and test. If problems persist, try connecting the phone to a mobile hotspot to determine whether the router or ISP is at fault. That single test saves time and points your next move.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.